How you doing? I'm Trans Genius. You're tuned in once again to the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. Now, this is going to be a real exclusive video, okay? This video is very, very important. How to speak money into your life. If you listen to what I'm about to tell you in this video, all right, I can guarantee you your whole finances will begin to just shift. You will begin to attract money like you've never attracted in your whole entire life. Listen, we about to attract money using the secret law of attraction. And if you just do this, I can guarantee you, maybe even more, miracle money will begin to just show up in your life. I know it's been working for me for like the past few years now, okay? I've also told a few clients of mine, people who purchased my money vortex, how to do this in the money vortex. They've sent me emails and told me the same thing. Big brother Trend, this literally has changed my life, okay? So I'm gonna tell you in this video how to speak money into your life. Listen, this works, all right? Star seeds constantly co-creating our own reality. All right. Now, this is the first thing that you must know when it comes down to speaking money into your life or speaking money into existence. All right. You will never, ever, 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 ever attract a lot of money until you open up the thought that you can speak money into your life. All right. I know a lot of people who don't have money. The reason why they don't have money is because they're always talking down on their own finances. They're always calling themselves broke. They always think things are expensive. So what they're doing is they are repelling money away from them, okay? You got to keep in mind, the universe is taking into account everything that you speak into existence, okay? So if you're saying negative things about money, negative things about prices, all right? If you're talking negative about somebody's new car, oh, how did they get that car? Where they do that at? Okay, if you're talking negative things about money, you're gonna only repel money away from you, and money will never ever attract to you. Okay, that's the first thing that I learned on my journey to get me into financial freedom. I changed my thoughts from speaking down on my own finances to speaking money into my life, and you're gonna do the same thing too. Think of it like this. Think of it like this. Imagine putting the word out about this guy that you like or this woman that you like, and you've been looking at her on Instagram or something, and you just thinking about her all the time. You know, she probably got some pictures up, or, you know, you heard that he has great things going on with his life, and you see him from time to time when you go outside and take a walk, and then you just happen to tell your friends when they come around about him. You know, you putting the APB out there, you putting the word out there. You know, you putting a room out there. I like this guy. He's so handsome. He looks so good. The more you keep doing it, okay, the more you keep putting out the fact that you like this girl or this guy, the more you keep speaking it into existence, I can guarantee you an amount of time that guy is going to come to you, okay? He's going to meet you somewhere. He's going to say, where they do that at? I heard you talking good about me. What you trying to do tonight? You trying to go out on a date? I can guarantee you that person will attract to you, and you don't even have to have a conversation with them. Listen, this is how you speak money into your life. You speak money into your life the same way. The more you talk about how you're going to have money, how you're going to be rich, how all this money just comes to you, the more you keep on saying it, even though that woman has not come to you yet, okay? Think of money as a woman. Even though that money has not, that woman or that money has not come to you, if you keep speaking it, she gonna be wondering who talking about her, and then she gonna come and meet you right where you are. This is how you speak money into your life. Listen, all right? Listen. Another thing that you must do if you want to speak money into your life is you got to get into a habit that, like, you know, everywhere you go, man, if you're walking in stores and you know that you can't afford stuff, you might not have nothing but like $10 on you, but you see things that you want in that store, okay? You got to be able to walk into stores speaking money into your life by saying things like, you know, I am prosperous. I can buy anything in here. Okay, now it might not be that day that you buy everything in that store, but if you walk in that store, okay, If you walk into my favorite store, Saks Fifth, all right, or Neiman Marcus, and you just say to yourself, I'm prosperous, I am rich, I can afford everything in here, and you just go about looking at all type of clothes and jewelry or whatever the case may be, like you can buy it, the more you keep speaking money into your life, the more the universe is going to set you up to where the next time you actually go into that store, you will be able to afford the things that you truly desire. Okay? You got to see things that you desire, and you got to say to yourself, you got to say, I'm going to get that. I'm going to get that car. You know, I'm going to buy that new home out there in Las Vegas. Yeah, this is my home. I'm going to buy this home. Anything that you see that you really know that you want, you got to say to yourself, I'm going to get that. I'm going to have that. I'm going to buy that. You know, I'm going to have my own apartment. You know, you got to speak money into your life. Just do this. Folks, this is how the law of attraction works. Okay. This is how I get everything that I possess. Okay. Before I actually possessed it, when I didn't have the money to buy it, I would already say, you know what? I'm going to be staying in a skyrise. You know, I'm going to be staying in a skyrise condo. You know, I'm going to be staying in a skyrise studio. I will always say that way before I could even afford to actually stay in a skyrise studio apartment. You know what I mean? That's all you got to do. That's what this world is based on. Thoughts and things, and the words that you speak out of your mouth, they become things, okay? This is how you speak money into your life, all right? Now, I'm going to give you another piece of advice on how to speak money into your life. A lot of people don't do this right, and they don't know that they're doing this, and it's actually repelling money away from them once again, okay? But you got to get into a habit of speaking money into other people's lives too. You ain't never heard that, have you? Listen. The universe likes to test you to see if you are money conscious, okay? So what the universe will do from time to time is the universe will probably bless other people around you. And then you might have other people come to you and brag and say, man, I just got a check, man, or I just hit the lottery for like 30,000. Look, here's proof that I won. And you just be looking like, wow, oh my God. See, when the universe start giving blessings to other people around you or putting money in other people's lives, the universe is testing your money consciousness, okay? So what you have to do is give a reflection back to that person that they are abundant, they are wealthy, they are prosperous. You know what I mean? Because you got to understand when you speaking money into other people's lives, whatever you give out is what you get back, okay? They're only going to give you back a reflection of how you made them feel, all right? What you put out into the universe and what you say on other people's lives, that's what people are going to tell you. Now, just imagine if you had people coming to tell you you are rich. One day you're going to be wealthy. One day you're going to be successful, all because you know how to speak money into other people's lives. So the universe is bringing people around you who put you into the money vibration, who get you onto the money frequency by speaking into your life, okay? So this is another way you can attract wealth and prosperity is by speaking into other people's lives. Ladies, when your friend come to you, you know, with that new weave in her hair, whatever the case may be, and it look good, and you know you ain't got your hair done, you got to say, girl, you look good. Wow, where'd you get that from? I'm going to get me some too, girl. You know what I mean? Versus being like, I don't know, it's a little messed up in the back. You know what I'm saying? You can't do that. Where they do that at? You can't do that. Okay, you repelling money away from you. All right, your head's still gonna be messed up. We trying to get the money to get you some hair too. You understand what I'm saying? Listen, this is how you speak money into existence. What you give out and what you put out into the universe for other people is what you get back. All right. Now, here's the part of the video that you really need to pay close attention to. Okay. Now, affirmations. Affirmations are extremely, extremely powerful when it comes down to attracting money. All right. So if you got to run this video back just to get to this part of the video, that is very important. OK, make sure that you write these affirmations down right here, because these are some of the most powerful money affirmations that you can use. OK, so we're going to say these affirmations together. Wherever you're at right now, make sure you turn your phone up. Make sure you turn your TV up. Make sure it's loud, because what we're about to do is we're about to speak money into your life. We're going to speak money into the universe, and whatever goes out into the universe, OK, it must come to pass. All right. So I have some powerful affirmations we're going to do together. Only thing I need you to do is repeat after me. OK, here we go. I make money every day. I am a money machine. I am already rich. Money comes to me. Money flows to me like water. I attract money everywhere I go. Okay, so these are the 6 powerful affirmations that you can use every single day. Make sure you run this video back so you can write these affirmations down, and make sure that you're always speaking money into your life. No matter where you're at, you can do this if you're out walking your dog. It don't even matter. When you start speaking money affirmations, what you're doing is attracting money to you, and money will begin to come to you in opportunities, in gifts, okay, in lottery winnings, and ideas, thoughts, okay? Some of y'all might receive checks unexpectedly. There's no way, okay, that money cannot get to you. There's infinite amount of ways that money can get to you once you begin to know how to speak money into your life, okay? Once again, shouts out to everybody out there who has purchased my money vortex. This is kind of like the same things that's inside of there. Thank y'all. Also, shouts out to everybody out there who purchased the Secret Macabre book, like an extremely powerful book with a lot of esoteric, metaphysical knowledge in it that's going to take you to the next level. If you need anything, remember to reach out to me at TrennisHenderson@gmail.com. Okay. Do not comment below if you need something. Simply just reach out to me personally at TrennisHenderson@gmail.com, and I will reply as soon as possible. Okay. This is how you speak money into your life. If you're new to my channel and you love this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon. Click that face icon, it's me. And make sure that you have on the bell notification so you can be notified first every time your big brother Trans Genius uploads 2 wonderful videos like these 2 right here every single day. You want to see me walk through a house in Las Vegas, a dream home? Click this video right here. You want to see me in Miami? Click this video right here. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.